Welcome to the Advantage Insulating Concrete Forming System. The Advantage ICF blocks are 11 1/4 inches from outside to outside for the 6-inch core, which is the perfect width when a PTW window buck built from 2x12s is required. The 8-inch core product is 13 1/4 inches outside to outside, so a 1-inch piece of plywood cut to that width is typically used. Interlock. The Advantage ICF Systems patented tongue and groove interlock design allows tight nesting of the blocks. Reversible and other ICF blocks that have alternating projections and recesses sometimes do not nest properly due to numerous friction points. Therefore, they do not nest tightly, and this can result in significant settling depending on how many rows of blocks are being placed. These ICF designs require internal hooks, both horizontally and vertically. The hooks create a situation where the concrete placement, and more importantly, the internal mechanical vibration can occur, which is essential for proper concrete consolidation, as required by building code. Another issue with these interlock styles is keeping the recesses free of debris, as they can fill with mud and sometimes ice that need to be cleaned out of the interlock to work. The groove or bottom interlock makes it easy to apply a consistent, even bead of foam adhesive in critical areas, locking the blocks tight. The adhesive comes in multiple brands with a wide range of curing temperatures. The tongue or top of the interlock nested into the grooves provides an additional barrier for moisture migration through the horizontal seams. The Advantage ICF system is the only ICF product that features tabs at the top of the interlock that slip into the bottom of the subsequent row, keeping the webs aligned. There are some areas where the tabs may have to be removed for the project. This is done with little effort, and the interlock is still consistent horizontally. This interlock feature results in less waste. An embossed EPS line marks the middle of the 1.5-inch wide furring strips vertically, making it an easy-to-find target for fastening. The Advantage ICF system also marks all blocks with a vertical recessed cut line every inch to facilitate cutting the blocks when required. The Advantage ICF system ledge block features a continuous, uninterrupted concrete ledge. When ledge blocks are included in any ICF system, horizontal steel reinforcement in the ledge portion is required. The Advantage ICF ledge block features a specially designed web unique to the ICF industry that is molded into the ICF panels. This forms a concrete ledge that is uninterrupted, allowing required building membranes and materials to be fastened all the way to the top of the ledge. Only the Advantage ICF system has this benefit. This superior design provides a uniform support for brick, stone, and slab and floor support. The steel reinforcement is totally encapsulated in the concrete, so it is not exposed to moisture-causing corrosion deterioration. This is a significant improvement over ICF designs that use EPS haunches molded into the one face of the EPS panel. These haunches are considered structural voids and do not allow the steel reinforcement to be protected from moisture. If you have any questions about the Advantage ICF system, please contact us.